In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clean one of these boiling type humidifiers. All you're going to need to do this is just a 1/2 inch chisel. In this case, it turns red. There's a little light right here. If it runs out of water or if this heating element here gets too coated in calcium or lime or whatever's in your water, you do need a really sharp chisel to do this, just because you don't want to like scratch at it. Push it on. It helps if it's just cooling off from being turned on. You can kind of pour cold water over it to shock it. And when you push on it, it just pops off. Might have to push a little harder depending on what exactly is in your water that's coating it. In this case, I may be scraping it, but I'm being very careful not to go all the way through the layers and touch the coating on the heating element. For the most part, you just have to push down on it and it'll pop off. In this case, it's not freshly off, so it's not still hot, and the stuff isn't coming off quite as easily as it normally does. And you can pull off rather thick big chunks like this.